Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for SAT. We have been solving SAT math problems out of this book here, the official SAT study guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we're about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 979. Please turn to it. Page 979, and today is our lesson number 147. These are medium problems on a scale of 1 through 16. There are 16 questions. They are all of the same type, which means the scale of difficulty in this section goes from 1 through 16. And these are 7 through 10. These are medium problems. Number 7. We are told that n is a positive integer. And then we are told that 6 times 10 raised to negative n plus 1 times 10 raised to negative n must equal what? Well, let's find out, shall we? Well, what they want to see here is whether or not you know how to deal with your exponents, basic manipulation, elementary manipulation of exponents. For example, 3 raised to negative 7, since it's a negative exponents, is same as 1 over 3 raised to 7. When you bring it down, this negative 7 becomes positive 7. That's all they want to see. That's all they want to see here. So here, the first quantity is simply 6 over 10 raised to n. And the second quantity is 1 over 10 raised to n. This negative n becomes positive n, you see? And now since they have the same denominator, we can just add them up. We can add up the numerator. So it's simply 7 over 10 raised to n. And that's all. And that's our answer choice B. That's all there is. Let's go on to the next one, number 8. These are not hard questions, as I told you before. These are medium questions. Number 8. In number 8, we are being asked how many more degrees are there in an arc which is 1/4 of a circle as opposed to another arc which comprises of 1/5 of a circle. Well, a circle, we know, is made up of 180 degrees, and therefore 1/4 of the circle will be 180 over 4. Let's find out. How many fours in a 1? 1 has no fours. That 1 goes and joins this guy, becomes 18. How many fours in 18? 18 has 4 fours. 4 fours are 16. The remaining 2 goes and joins this guy, becomes 20. How many fours in a 20? 20 has 5 fours. Of course, I'm being silly. Of course, we know 1/4 of a circle is 45 degrees. Because half a circle is one... what the hell? What am I thinking here? It's a good thing I caught myself. As I was speaking, I realized the boo-boo that I have made. Let's start again, shall we? 1/4 of a circle is not 45 degrees. That's how I caught myself. As I was about to say, we all know that 1/4 of a circle is 90 degrees. Because half a circle is 180. Let's start again. A circle is made up of 360 degrees. And we're looking for 1/4 of it. 360, 36 has 9 fours. There you go. That makes more sense. 1/4 of a circle is 90 degrees. Let's find 1/5 of a circle. 1/5 of a circle is going to be 360 divided by 5. Let's find out how many degrees in 1/5 of a circle. How many 5s in a 3? 3 has no 5s. That 3 goes and joins this guy, becomes 36. How many 5 in 36? 36 has 7 5s. The remaining one goes and joins this guy, becomes 10. How many 5s in a 10? 10 has 2 5s. There you go. So it's 72 degrees in 1/5 of a circle. And therefore the difference between 90 and 72 is our answer, which is 18 degrees. Which is 18 degrees. They have 9 degrees as one of the answer choices. What the hell? is for those people who are not paying attention and they're starting out with 180 here. Number 9, shall we? Number 9. Number 9, they give us a little graph here. And we are told that it goes something like this. This is origin, this is 6 and 0. And this is negative 6 and 0. Mine is not drawn very nicely. It's symmetric, obviously. Mine is not drawn very nicely. The question simply is, based on the graph that is given to us, what are the values of x for which the value of the function is negative? Well, that's very easy. The value of the function is negative right here, in this region. Value of the function is negative in this region, between x equal to 0 and x equal to 6, because it starts with 0 and goes up to 6. This, by the way, is the symbol for between. Between. This will be because. This will be without. This will be within. So it's between 0 and 6. That's it. That's your answer. Between x equal to 0 and x equal to 6, which is between 0 and 6. And that's your answer, choice B. Well, there was nothing to it. Number 10. That's the only part of the graph where the value of the function is negative. The question was, based on the graph above, what are the values of x for which f of x is negative? Saying that f of x is negative is same as saying the value of the function is negative. And that happens between 0 and 6. Next one, last one, number 10. In number 10, they give us this picture here. I'm not sure if I want to draw this thing or I just want to do the problem. The figure above shows the dimensions of a pedestal constructed of 4 layers of marbles. Alright, each layer is a rectangular solid. So we know each layer is a rectangular solid. Oh, rectangular solid, sorry, not a square, so rectangular solids. It's not a cube, it's not a cube, all 3 sides are not equal. It's a rectangular solid, as we can clearly see there. I don't know what I was thinking. Each layer is a rectangular solid that is 1 foot high and has a square base. So the base is a square. The question simply is, how many cubic feet of marble make up this pedestal? Well, let's find out, shall we? The very first one they give us, on the bottom, looks something like this. Again, mine is not drawn very nicely. I'm going to redraw it. Close enough. I'm not going to redo it. The next one is, it goes something like that, and the next one is going to go finally, the top one is going to go something to this effect. Something to this effect. I don't know why I took the time to actually draw the damn thing. We could have just done it, but then you have to have the book in front of you, you have to pay attention to it. Let's find out. They simply want to know how many cubic feet of marble is going to be needed to build this pedestal. Let's start from the very top. The very top one is just 1 by 1 by 1. It's 1 by 1 by 1. 1 by 1 by 1. That's this guy right here. So that's just 1. The next guy is going to be, see this side now. We are told that this is 1. This side is 1, and we know this is 1. So this side is 2. The height is still 1, and this is going to be 2. So it's 2 by 2 by 1. 2 times 2 is 4, so that's what that is. That's this guy right here. The next one again, from here to here is 1, and from here to here is 2. So this is 3 by 3 by 1. There's a pattern obviously. So it's 3 by 3 by 1. So the volume of this guy is 9 cubic feet, or whatever the unit that they're using. And finally here, again from here to here we are told is 1. Therefore, and from here to here is 3. So this guy is 4 by 4 by 1. Which is going to be 16. And that's it, that's our answer. That's how many cubic, what unit are they using? Each layer is a rectangular solid that is 1 foot high, so they're using a foot. So how many cubic feet do we need to build this pedestal? Let's find out. The bottom one will take 16 cubic feet, then the 9 cubic feet, then the 4, and then the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 9 plus 16 is 25, so it's 30 cubic feet. The answer is we need 30 cubic feet of marble to build this grand piece of art that Michelangelo would have been proud of. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.